Hey everyone, this is Tung 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 Sahur, a canon Italian Brainrot character. And yes, just like always, I hid a few characters somewhere in this video. If you find them, write it in the comments. Tung 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 Sahur doesn't run, he doesn't jump, he doesn't even blink that much. He simply appears. He stands there, holding his wooden bat, looking at you like he's about to explain a very important rule of life. But instead of talking, he does the only thing he knows how to do. Tung, 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 sahur. No explanation, no backstory, no warning, just sound. Some people think he's calling everyone to wake up. Others think he's announcing something that already happened. And some believe he forgot what comes after sahur but refuses to stop. He doesn't need a reason. He is the reason. When night falls and everything is quiet, that's when he works the hardest. Not because he wants to scare you, but because silence is his enemy. Once you hear him, your brain automatically repeats it. Tung, 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 sahur. Again and again and again. You can cover your ears, you can leave the room, you can close the video, but it's too late. The chant already lives rent-free in your head. And the worst part? He's still standing there, smiling, waiting, ready to say it one more time. If you ask him what his goal is, he will just repeat, tung, 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 and then forget what he was doing. Scientists tried to study him. They left after 5 minutes. In the end, Tung 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 Sahur is not evil. He's not smart. He's just pure Italian brain rot energy in physical form.